Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your Redmi Buds 4 Pro. So first you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, and then you have to use this button. You have to click and hold it and wait until this indicator starts blinking red. It will take around 10 seconds of holding this button with the cover open, and also our connection in the application will disappear. Just keep holding this button. You can also take a look for this indicator behavior. And right now we are able to release that button. Right now we are not connected anymore, and when you open the Bluetooth settings and try to get this previously connection, you will get the new pairing request. There we go. So it means that we successfully perform the hard reset, and you don't have to wait for this red light to show on the indicator, because it will not happen. Just solid white light. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.